everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a decoration video, as you can already tell from the video. This was a very beautiful backyard decoration for a baby shower, and the theme was blush gold white. So the client already prepared everything. Like, she prepared the flowers the night before, and I just came in and I set up, and I did the balloons, the backdrop, and the cake stands and the setup. So guys, it was really a very cute event in the backyard, and everybody had so much fun, guys. This was really beautiful. Like, as soon as you come behind the backyard, it looks so gorgeous. Like, everything just blended together with the green grass and the backdrop and the balloons. Everything would just look so beautiful, guys, as you can tell from the picture. And it was a very simple event and nothing too extravagant, but the balloons just made everything pop. That was the favorite part for me. That's the favorite part of this event. I just thought I should stop by and show you guys the event that I did during the weekend. So guys, it was super early in the morning. I didn't get the chance to show you guys when I started blowing the balloons because I was in so much rush and I didn't want the event to start late. I wanted to be done with the event before the guests start coming. So that's why I did not get to film the part where I was blowing the balloons, but I did blow the balloons at the spot. So it took me about 3 hours to blow these balloons. I used the 12-inch, I used the 5-inch, and the 18 and 24-inch balloons, and everything just blended together. Like you can see in the backyard, everything just blended. The sky was blue, everything was just beautiful, guys, and the weather was so perfect. Like, everything just turned out really nice. If you follow me on Instagram at Kunakis Decor, you probably already seen some pictures on this decoration. So the client did prepare the fresh flowers that you see on the tables the night before, and I just came in the morning and set up and also blew the balloons. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Join the family for more lovely decorations and DIY videos. And I'm going to try to do like more of DIY things. Events are really cancelled at the moment, but I have a couple of events that I did during the weekend. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be uploading more events that I already did. And so guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated and show you guys like ideas and things that you can do to decorate your home, and DIYs and events, some little things that you can do on your own at home too. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join my channel. And for my new subscribers, thank you guys so much. And for my old subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really enjoyed doing these events. As you can tell from the balloons, I took my time. The balloons was the center of attraction, guys. Like, it was really it was turning out. Like, it made the event stand out. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always coming back. Until next time, guys, be nice, be kind, and be lovely. And drop a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, guys, bye.